Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Skin fold thickness is an age-independent growth assessment marker. In skin fold thickness more than or equal to 10 millimeters, it is normal. Less than 6 millimeters shows there is malnutrition. Herpender calipers. According to Herpender calipers, most commonly triceps thickness is important. Others like biceps and scapula can also be seen, but mainly skin fold thickness is measured at triceps.
thank you and thank you for watching.